This is how I get my chickens. I got 7 chickens. I get 5, 6 eggs a day. Sometimes down to 3 year round. Chickens are a year and a half old. You can see them over there, hopefully. Okay, and what I do is I buy black oil sunflower seeds and cracked corn. And I just simply take a garbage can and I got it mixed up in the garbage can. Okay, now I give the chickens all they can eat. I don't hold off on the feed. I don't hold back on the feed, I should say. I have 2 places they eat. They eat outside and inside the coop. Now the outside feeder, this is the outside feeder right here. Okay, I'll leave links to this. This is, it's real dirty right now. It's been in the chicken coop and it's muddy and it's been raining. But they stick their head through here and eat. And then you can simply, you fill it with corn and then you lock it. Okay. I just simply take my corn and just fill it up. Now you're looking at, with it full to the top, you're probably looking at 2 weeks. Okay. And the reason why I did this, I made this thing is, we want to go on vacation. We want to take the motorhome out on vacation. It's probably over 2 weeks. You can probably easily go 2 weeks. And then I have a water. That's another. Anyway, it's in the pen. I got the water rigged up also where in one of these. And I don't know how many gallons this would be. Probably, I don't know, 7 or 8. And I have the water the same way. I have water on the outside and also on the inside. And the chickens, they never run out of water, of course, and they never run out of feed. Now, of course, I put gravel. Okay, now, like I said, the chickens lay, today I'll probably get 5 eggs. Now, in the coldest part of the winter, we're down in the south, so it might get to 27 for 2-3 days. I'll put a heat lamp on them, and they continue to lay. Okay. Now, another thing I do is I have, inside the pen I have a light. And the light is hooked to a timer. And the timer comes on at dark, well before dark. And it stays on to about, depending on what time of year, it'll stay on to about 8, 9 o'clock. So I'm getting 15, 16 hours of light a day with the chickens. That's one of also main reason they lay it. And they continue to lay. And they haven't, the chickens haven't stopped laying. Like I said, they're about a year and a half old. Now there's one drawback, they will get aggressive when you put that much light on them. But I got a pretty good sized pen here. And it goes back, way back over there. And then it goes, well, this is my, goes to here. And it's a lot of room for 7 chickens. So that's how we do it. And I got a few more videos of how we do the chickens. We've been getting a lot of rain. So here's the chicken coop. And I'm outside the chicken coop, of course. I'm showing the feed and water. The way I fill the water, I have this hose going up, connected. I just turn the hose on, and it goes to, you might be able to see under there, one of those buckets. I drill the holes and put the water things in them. I just turn that on and fill it up. Every now and then I take the whole thing out and clean it. Okay. Go in the chicken pen. I'll show you how we feed them. Watch out, chicken. Okay. That is the inside feeder. Okay. You see through the wire. And that's the water. The inside water. Now this is the outside feeder. That I just filled up. Okay, it's all dirty because it's on a couple of blocks, 3 blocks. Because of the mud, you get a lot of rain. And it's under the coop, as you can see. Got it under the coop so it doesn't rain on it. That is filled with oyster shells. And I like the flake type. I'll put links in this stuff. I made these for the feeder. I just drill these holes and put these in. Drill a hole and then they stick the head in there and eat. That's 4 of them. That's gravel. And that one. What? What? What you want? She knows I'll feed them. And I don't have any roosters. And that's pretty much how we do it. It's a mess in here because of all the rain. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. I usually bring them something to some greens or something like that. And that's what they want. They want some they want some greens. What y'all want? That's the door. Omelet door. Automatically opens and closes. I'll have that in another video. Let's see. This is the egg box. Okay. Now the pen is totally. I got leaves on the top of it. Need to blow them off my leaf blower when they dry. But I'm totally enclosed and screened. That's to keep anything from coming in here. Okay, let's see what we got. Got any eggs? So we got 2. One in there. That's 3. That's 2 there. That's 5. These are my fake eggs. I've got a fake egg in each one. So we got 5 eggs in the 3 nests. You want to come lay another egg? Huh? You want to lay another egg? Coming in there. So anyway, that's how we do it. And we have a light inside the pen. Oh, you're going to come up here. You're going to get up here, huh? Oh, yeah. Look out, girls. Okay. Inside the pen, there's a light. Okay, now the light is on a timer. Okay. Get down. Get down. I gotta close it. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get. Put all the eggs right here. I can pick them up. Don't mess with my egg. Don't mess with my egg. You wanna lay some more? Okay. You're not listening. You want to get? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. That's about it. Now, what we have, I have it on a timer. Okay. I have the light on a timer. They're going to follow me around because they used to be feeding them. And the timer is right up here. And what it does, these are the electrical wires go to the lights inside. And I put 16 hours of light a day. That's natural light, and then the light that's inside the pen. All right, I hear you. Okay, girl. The light inside the pen. And oh, what you talking? What you want? Huh? You talking to me? What you want? Now I close this when it gets cold. This part on the outside. This right here. Where I'm at, right here. I just close this door, pull it down. And, oh, she gonna. Oh yeah, I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Okay, I'm gonna go get them something to eat. They got plenty to eat, but they like a treat. I give them these worms. They like these worms. A girl? Anyway, that's how I get the eggs. So I had, what, 5 eggs today? I normally get 5, 6 eggs a day, every day. So I'm giving eggs away to family and friends. And I'm always eating eggs. I've got a bunch of different ways of cooking them and eating them. I have videos on all that. Alright. That's how we do it here. Get our chickens to lay.